Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for watching my video, and do all that good YouTube stuff. Share it, like it, hit the notification bell, thumbs up, subscribe, all the things that you do. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video and saving some money perhaps. I also invite you to check out the links in the description for some long-term savings with the stock market. Doing a timing belt and water pump on a 2003 Toyota 4runner 3.4 liter. So of course we'll be taking this hose off. We're going to go down below and take the drain plug out of the radiator. Yours might be similar. It's pretty new, so it should be all right. There we go, we'll get the ball rolling. There, and we'll start taking stuff apart on the top. We'll be taking the 12mm nuts off the fan down here. Everything is going to be left to loosen, right to tighten. And we can take the fan off, and then we can take the fan shroud off. 10mm bolts, a couple on each sides, and of course then we'll take the hose off. You can see just clamps, spring clamps. Squeeze them with the pliers and slide them back. If you leave the belts on, it helps too, and you can sometimes pull gently and turn this.